Hello everyone, Sharif Abu Zaid here with a new video, and today I want to speak about an important strategy that will help you increase the sales coming from your online business website. Here I want to speak about creating pop-ups and banners that will help you collect the contact information details of your website visitors, such as their name and email address. Because by collecting this contact information, you will be able to build an email list of potential customers that you can use to offer them products and even upsell them for additional products in the future, which means more sales and of course more money coming from your online business website. Now, when it comes to creating these pop-ups and banners, there are a few WordPress plugins that you can choose from, but recently I've been using the Kadence Conversions plugin because I think this is the most amazing WordPress plugin when it comes to creating pop-ups. I've been using the plugin for my own websites and for my clients' websites as well. As mentioned here inside the Kadence Conversions plugin, this is part of the Kadence WP has been developed by the Kadence WP team, which is the same team that developed the Kadence theme and the amazing Kadence Plugins page builder plugin as well. Anyway, Kadence Conversions is a more than a pop-up builder, as they mention inside their website. It can help you increase sales, collect leads, and even connect with your website visitors. But you know what? What I'm more interested in is the automatic triggers and also the display conditions that is offered by the plugin itself. Simply speaking, automatic triggers means that when do you want this pop-up or banner to appear? For example, if someone is leaving your website, or you want to show this pop-up if someone is visiting your website and spending a few seconds or even minutes browsing through your website. Also, using the display conditions feature of the plugin of the Kadence Conversions will help you control exactly where do you want this pop-up to appear. For example, if you like to, let's say if you have an online course or an online or an e-commerce website and you want to show a pop-up if someone is visiting a certain collection of products or a certain category of products, you can use the display conditions feature of the Kadence Conversions plugin to only show this pop-up or specific discount if someone is visiting this or that collection or category of products. Amazing features inside the display conditions and the automatic triggers features of the Kadence Conversions plugin. Now, without any further delays, let me show you how you can actually use the Kadence Conversions plugin to add pop-ups and banners for your online business website. So I have already went and downloaded and installed and activated the plugin. And by the way, this is a premium plugin. If you like to buy through my affiliate link, I will leave down below my affiliate link for buying this plugin. So now, once you install and activate the plugin, you'll find a new item called Conversions. Now, if you want to add a pop-up, you need to go to all conversions items here. To create a new pop-up, you need to click Add New, and then we'll be asked to choose what type of pop-ups on conversions items that we like to use. For example, you can choose pop-up or a slide-in or a banner. The rule that I'm following is that I'll be using the pop-up item or type if I want to show something for the people who are visiting my website through their desktop devices. But if they are visiting my website through a smartphone, I'll be using the banner pop-up here. This is the rule of thumb. Of course, there are additional situations or many other situations where I may like to choose a banner instead of a pop-up, but let's use the pop-up here as an example. Again, you can choose from these templates, but I like to start from scratch. And now let's give this a title. Let's call this site wide pop-up. And here we have a canvas where we have an overlay. This is the gray area, and also we have a row layout where you can add, or a block here, the white square, where we can add all the items that we like to add. We can add headings, paragraphs, sign up forms, we can add images, and we can do whatever we want. If you are using the default block editor of WordPress, you know what you can do with this area. But usually I like to choose or open it in the document overview to know exactly what I am using. So now inside the conversion items, let's first click publish to save all of our settings. You'll find that we have a conversion item here, and inside the conversion item we can add multiple widgets. And in the right part or the right side of the screen, you'll find the conversion item options here. As I mentioned, the launch triggers, the conversion settings, repeat control, position, and some additional settings as well. So now let's start by adding a title. So here, as I mentioned, inside this part, you can add any type of blocks. Let's say that we want to add, a heading. Let's click here, slash, and let's add a heading. And let's say sign up for a 50% of discount, for example, discount. So if someone signs up, they will receive a 50% of discount. And let's make this a align center. And then if you like to add, let's say, a text below it, I'll just click here, I click add after, and let's say sign up or complete sign up below. Yes, sign up below by adding your name and email address and receive the discount code in your inbox, for example. Let's add a full stop. Let's fix this. And let's fix this. You know what? I'm a translator, so I know that I'm more aware of this. I like to fix this. Now, then we need to add, let's say that the sign up form. Now, to add a sign up form, let's click enter, click the plus button, and now there is a widget or a block called advanced form that is coming with the Kadence Conversions plugin, and also installed with, if you are installing the Kadence Blocks plugin, which is another amazing page builder by the Kadence WP team. So let's choose, or let's search for advanced form, and let's create an advanced form, and let's choose this one, subscribe with a name. Let's choose the style as a basic one, and let's click create. Now we need to, so this is our sign up form. As again, let me explain this very quickly. Inside the conversion item, we have a heading, then we have a paragraph, and then we have our advanced form. Inside the advanced form itself, there are a few settings relevant to this. But as you can see, inside the advanced form, we have a roll out here. Of course, we can make the style. For example, if you like to make the email that show under below the name, we can do this here. And let's go to the roll out, and let's make this one column. So now we have the name and email address below each other. If you like to make this center line, you can just choose the submit button. Let's make this center aligned, and let's change the text to sign up. Sign up now. Now we have our pop-up almost ready. The design of the pop-up is almost ready. Of course, you need to connect this sign up form to our this advanced form to our email marketing platform. To make it connected to our platform, we need to go to submit actions. Let's click here. After someone is submitting it, I like to connect this to my Fluent CRM, which is another email marketing automation plugin. Again, of course, you can connect this to MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, or ConvertKit. I choose Fluent CRM. If someone signs up, I like to add them to the leads list and tag them as email signups. And then we need to map the fields. For the form name, I will add this to the name. The form email, I will map this to the mail, and let's click update and save. Now the design itself is done. Now we need to choose the settings, as I mentioned. For example, when and where we like this pop-up to show up. To do this, we make sure that you are choosing the conversion item under the document overview. As you can see, these are all the conversion items that we have here. For example, let's start with the launch triggers. Now inside the launch triggers, this is where you can choose when exactly do you like this pop-up to appear. For example, after a time delay, let's say that you want to show this pop-up when someone spends at least 5 seconds of visiting or of browsing your website, because if they spend 5 seconds, This means they are engaged now, they are ready or more ready to sign up for a discount, for example. Of course, you can change this. You can make this like 2000 milliseconds, which means 2 seconds. And also you can choose to show this when someone is exiting your website. And again, you can choose it on load. Just when someone visiting your website in the first second, this pop-up will appear. I will choose on load. And then you can choose the conversion settings. And here we can choose whether this is a pop-up or slide in. But as I mentioned, we are choosing the pop-up. Now, this is really important. You need to choose what is the conversion goal. Now, if someone signs up for your email list, you don't need to show this pop-up again. So you need to choose what action does the visitor do, which means that they have already converted or signed up for your pop-up. Usually I like to choose submit form. So if someone submits this form, this will means they have been converted, so the pop-up will never appear to them again. Now, under the repeat control, this is another important feature that means that now if someone doesn't sign up for your pop-up, for how many days do you like to this pop-up to disappear then appear again? My rule of thumb is 7 or 3 days. 3 days, which means that if someone closes this pop-up and visits the website for the coming 3 days, this pop-up will never appear again. But if they visit my website in the 4th day, the pop-up will appear again. This will make our pop-ups less interruptive, if I may say, because most of us doesn't like pop-ups, but still they are an important conversion mechanism. I would like them again. If someone signs up, I will just ask this pop-up to disappear for like 90 days. And for the position, you can choose whether you want to show this in left and center or whatever you want. But what I am more interested in is to show you the target pages position. Now here you can choose if you want to show this pop-up across all of your website pages. Now if I choose this pop-up will appear across all of my website pages, but still I can choose to show this pop-up in a certain posts or pages, let's say single posts. I can choose to show this pop-up across all of my posts or even individual posts inside certain posts. And if I have installed the WooCommerce plugin, which is the most common or the most popular e-commerce WordPress plugin, I can choose even to show this pop-up inside certain product pages or categories as well. So I will just choose to show this across all of my entire website. Again, of course, you can exclude certain pages. For example, I don't like to show this inside my privacy policy. I can do this through the exclude settings here. Let's choose exclude certain single pages individually. I will click select items. I will choose, let's say, the portfolio. I don't like the pop-up to show when someone is visiting, let's say, my contact page. Actually, I can choose it here and then click select. Now, if someone is visiting my contact page, this pop-up will never appear. Now, the second thing that I want to show you is the target visitors. Now, you can even show pop-ups if your website visitors are logged in or logged out. And this is a handy feature. Let's say that you want to offer a certain discount if someone enrolls in an online course. And for them to access this online course, they need to sign in and log in to their user account. And when they log in, you can even show a pop-up that will upsell them for an additional course. Maybe you are just giving them, or maybe you are giving a certain or a specific discount only for the people who are logged into your online course website. This is a very handy feature as well. Now for the target devices, as I mentioned here, you can choose if you want to show this pop-up if someone is visiting from their desktop devices or from their mobile devices. And therefore target requests, this comes handy if you want to show this pop-up if someone is visiting your website from Google or from Yahoo or some other conditions as well. The last thing that I want to show you is the scheduling pop-up. Let's say that you are creating a banner or a pop-up for a discount only for, let's say, for Black Friday or for Christmas or for the New Year. Here you can even enable the scheduling feature of the Kadence Conversions to show this pop-up only in certain days of the year, or even certain times of the year. Maybe you are just running a campaign, a discount for, as I mentioned, for Black Friday or the Christmas days. I'll just turn this off. Now I think these are all the most important settings. Of course, you can just can control the overlay settings. You can change the background of the overlay, for example, like this. You can make it like this. Also, let's say that target pages. I think we have been through the most important things. The last thing is the size. This is the size of the container that contains the content of your pop-up content. You can choose to make this set minimum height. For example, if you want to minimum height to be 400 pixels or 500, you can make it whatever you want. Container styling, you can choose to add border colors here. Let's say that I want to have this border. I want to change the border size to be, let's make this like 5 pixels. Let's make this 5 pixels or 10 pixels. Even you can style it to whatever you want. And let's make this 10 pixels as well. I like it to be 5 here and 5 here. This looks nice to me, as I mentioned. So let's click update and let's close this. Make sure that you are choosing the conversion items on load. And you know what? Sometimes I forget about the repeat control. Make sure that you are turning this off. If you are testing the pop-up, make sure that you are turning this off, because it will help you test the conversion item very quickly. Let's click update and let's click refresh here and see if the pop-up will appear. As you can see now, the pop-up has appeared. And let me add my name. Let's say Sharif. And let's add a fake name, fake email at google.com. And let's click sign up. Now I have been added to my email list inside Fluent CRM. So let's go back here, click dashboard, and let's go to Fluent CRM contacts. I should be able to find my name. Let's see. Yes, this is my contact information. If I go here, I'll find complete information about my the forms that I have completed and some additional information. As I mentioned, adding conversions or conversion items, pop-up and banners is an important strategy that you can use to increase the sales coming from your online business website. I believe that Kadence Conversions is the most full-featured pop-up builder plugin among the additional WordPress plugins. So if you like to buy it, I will leave again down below my affiliate link if you like to use it to buy Kadence Conversions. And that's it. Hopefully you find this video helpful. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up and please consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I create 3 videos a week to help you create more amazing WordPress websites. Now, thank you so much and see you in the next video.